So this is Mike at Astro Apostle, and I'm doing another video on ZWO Seestar EQ Mode configurations. And on the Seestar tripod, I have a bracket that I got off of Etsy, made by Smart Telescope, with 3D printed knobs. There is a connector for the mount. There's a connector for the Seestar. I have it rubber band just to keep it on the bracket. There are two knobs, 3D printed knobs, to tighten up the 3/4 inch bolt to the two steel braces. And I posted just showing the 60-second image that I got on the Seestar the other night of NGC 6995. And I mean 190 minutes, so that's like 3 hours and 10 minutes worth of imaging at 60 seconds. So the bracket is pretty good. The engineer, he had in between here a thin plastic washer, which caused the braces to slip for me from the weight of the Seestar, so I replaced it with a water hose, garden hose washer, and this seems to work well. I tightened it down really good before I take it outside, and then attach the Seestar to it. So whatever your latitude is, you know, you might get that straight and get it tight where this thing won't slip and move, so that when you get out and set it up at night or the day when you're doing solar imaging, you won't have any problem. So again, this is Mike at Astro Apostle, asking you to give me a like, leave your comments. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, to help build the channel. And I just say clear skies.